Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you about the new Samsung Galaxy M31S. So let's get started. This is the phone. Samsung Galaxy M31S is a really good option if you're looking for a device under 20,000 rupees. It has 4000 UHD video recording. It has video switch, super slow motion videos, and it is best for low light and night photography. Its display is 6.50 inches. Its front camera is 32 megapixel. Its rear camera is 64 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel and plus 5 megapixel. Its RAM is 6 GB. Its storage is 128 GB. Its battery capacity is 6000 mAh. Its OS is Android 10. Samsung Galaxy M31S price in India is rupees 19,499 for 6 GB RAM variant, whereas the price is 21,499 for 8 GB RAM variant. I hope you like this video. If you like, smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.